What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you on how to get a reset button on Block Blast, allowing you to restart levels easily. This feature can enhance your gameplay by enabling you to retry levels without having to exit the game. Follow the steps below for a smooth setup process. This reset button can be done in both Adventure Mode and Classic Mode. So let's get started. First, let's do the reset button in the Adventure Mode. While we are in the Adventure Mode, tap the gear icon, which is located at the top right of the screen. In the Settings tab, instead of a reset button, it's a replay button, so just tap on it below the home button. Now the game in the Adventure Mode has been reset. Now let's do it in the Classic Mode. It's the same as I did in Adventure Mode, but just be sure I prepare a tutorial too for the Classic Mode. While we are in the Classic Mode, tap the gear icon, which is located at the top right of the screen. In the Settings tab, tap the replay button below the home button to reset the game. As you can see, the sets of blocks have been in different positions, which means the game has been reset. You may now have a reset button in Block Blast, making it easier to retry levels. Remember to customize your controls for optimal gameplay. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience, and don't hesitate to explore more features in the game. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.